Is her Roy Keane, like in terms of, I think even nearly being misrepresented and misunderstood for a long time. People saw this there. I don't know. Maybe it was just those post-match interviews on RTE where that kind of more stilted format and like I've never really felt that from him. I've never felt that he was
No.
there. Never felt that he was that way.
Cahair is a smart, educated guy. He's funny. Like his dad was Bard of Armagh. His dad's a very witty
Didn't lick
man.
it off the stone.
No,
Yeah.
no. So he has that. He has that intelligence. Like even there, funnily enough, last week, and people going on about almost him using this word piggery as if it was something he made up, but he just knew that the term and what it represented. So yeah, he's always interesting. He's
And
always
good comic timing, like good, he's funny, like and these huddles now basically being videoed and sort of disseminated, and there is no then context. You kind of just get the unvarnished. Here it is. Here's what he said, and it's nearly sometimes in the what he said is not reflected in how he said it.
I
In
think
print.
that's what annoyed him for years.
Yes.
Like,
The funny thing was, I wasn't even asking him about the referee because what I was going to ask him was like, he decided with 90 seconds to go to bring Tomas McCormick on at a kick out, and it just because he brought him on at a kick out, it stopped the clock. Whereas if he'd let the kick out run, the clock wouldn't have stopped and they might have lost 20 or 30 seconds and they were chasing a 4-point lead. And I just thought, was it something they had thought about because they got frustrated in Roscommon last week? But mid question, he was just like, "I'm not talking about referees," and he was off on one. Like, but you talk about personality. Like, it's so important that people get to see that and experience that.